friends, today I have a project using our rectangular simple shapes. These come in a set of 2 and there are so many different projects that you can use these surfaces for. We have several transfers that fit perfectly on the rectangular simple shapes, like this Valentine's one. Now I will say when I first started recording this, I didn't realize that this particular transfer is sold out. However, I will have a kit in my VIP group, and there are also, like I said, other transfers that fit these surfaces perfectly. So with that in mind, with this project, I am going to use both sides of the surface, and you saw that I wrote on the back of the backing paper of the transfer which transfer went on there, just so I know which side is the back and which transfer goes on which sheet. So so for this side I'm using Peony, and then originally I was going to use the shimmer gold, but then you'll see I kind of go back and forth, and I ended up deciding to go with Couture teal for the little frame around the edge. I just love those colors together. Did another project with these 2 colors, and I really like these colors for Valentine's Day. I'm more of a pink, teal, gold kind of girl when it comes to Valentine's projects. So I'm just gonna pull that up, and look how cute that looks, and it, like I said, it fits so perfectly on that surface. So I'm gonna dry this really well, since I'm going to be chalking on the other side. I don't want to I want to make sure that my paste is dry so that I don't smudge it. And yes, I have done that before because I am impatient when I'm crafting, and so I'm always real careful now. So anyway, I'm going to flip that over, and I'm going to do a different transfer on the other side, and this time I am going to use the shimmer gold. I haven't used it in quite a while. Normally I use copper is one of my favorites, but I decided to use the shimmer gold for this little arrow that's shooting through the word love. So I'm using my multi-tool to kind of get in there in those tiny spots. It's perfect for just for that. So then I'm going to go back and use Peony to get all of the letters. Just trying to be careful not to smudge the gold too much. Not looking for, it to be perfect, but I'm just trying to kind of stay away from where I chalked the gold for the arrow. So and then when I pull up this transfer, I'm going to pull it up a little bit slower than normal, just so I can make sure if there's any spots I need to touch up that I can do that. But it ended up coming out great, and I think that's so cute with that little gold arrow going through that. Again, I'm going to make sure that my project is totally dry before I set it in the base, and I just love how that turned out. It's so cute. So thanks for watching.